Hi everyone. So this is the video where I take you through the step-by-step process of installing a Solana wallet on your desktop or on your phone. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. And here, what you really have to do is make sure that you have a pen and paper with you to note down all your passwords and seed phrases. Okay. All you have to do is go on to Phantom Wallet. Just type Phantom Wallet in your search. Click on Phantom and click on. So I want to have the Chrome extension, which is much easier actually. Well, I click on download. It takes me to the Chrome App Store, and all I have to do is add extension. This should take a couple of minutes. And on this, you need to click on create a new wallet. And I would want to have a seed phrase rather than going for an email, I would rather create a wallet with the 24 word seed phrase. And here I click on, and here I am just once you're done with this, click on, just move your cursor and you'll see the 12 words. Make sure that you have a book and you note down all the 12 words and make a few copies of it. Just write it on 3 or 4 sheets of paper or in a book that you feel would be safe. Make sure that you have this with you and have it backed up. Please don't back it up on your phone or email for that matter, because anybody who knows what the combination of these 12 words mean can definitely take over your wallet and your funds. So make sure that you never share this with anyone. Even though this is funny, I'm showing it out here. But yeah, just for the sake of this video and to make sure that you understand what this wallet creation is and how do you go about it. Once you have noted these 12 words, you can click on continue, and just like that, you have Phantom installed on your system. You can do the same through your phone, and we'll just check that as well in a minute. So now we can see Phantom on the App Store. Simply go to App Store and type Phantom Wallet and then click on download. And just like that, you have your Phantom Wallet installed in your phone. Now, what you have to do is you need to write the recovery phrase on a piece of paper and make sure you back it up on paper. And once you're done writing it and backing it up, and just like I mentioned, do not store your seed phrase digitally. And that's it. You are now ready. And you can also write down the username. You can choose your own username so that you can identify your wallet properly at any given point of time. And once you have your unique username, you're all set. And if you do like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends. I'll be coming up with more crypto content that can help you understand the space better and help you make better decisions.